Prostate cancer. Introduction. All tumors are cancerous. Select true or false. Correct. Only malignant tumors which invade other tissues are cancerous. Benign tumors are not cancerous. It is always possible to determine the cause of cancer in a patient. Select true or false. Correct. It is usually impossible to specify the causes of cancer in an individual patient. However, we do know what can cause cancer in people in general. Please point to the prostate. Choose one of the following options. Correct. The prostate is located between the urinary bladder and the rectum. The main role of the prostate is to produce sperm. Select true or false. Correct. The main role of the prostate is to produce the fluid in which sperm travel. Sperm is produced in the testicles. During its early stage, prostate cancer always shows clear symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. During its early stage, prostate cancer may have no symptoms. That is why older men should always undergo annual examination tests to detect prostate cancer in its early stages. A high level of PSA in the blood is always an indication of prostate cancer. Select true or false. Correct. If the PSA levels in the blood are abnormally high, the doctor may do other tests to find out if this is caused by prostate cancer. The stage of cancer refers to how far the cancer has grown and spread. Select true or false. Correct. The later the stage of cancer, the more the cancer has grown or spread. The earlier the stage of cancer, the easier it is to find the cancer. Select true or false. Correct. The earlier the stage of cancer, the more difficult it is to find the cancer. However, the earlier the stage, the easier it is to treat the cancer. The surgical treatment of prostate cancer is more likely in the early stages of cancer. Select true or false. Correct. If prostate cancer is found in its early stages, surgery may cure the disease. Radiation therapy is used only in the early stage of cancer. Select true or false. Correct. Radiation therapy is sometimes used in the later stages of cancer to relieve pain. The treatment for prostate cancer depends only on the stage of the cancer. Select true or false. Correct. The recommended treatment depends on the age and health of the patient and the history of previous treatments, in addition to the stage of the cancer. Thank you for using Explain.